Breaking news: Mauna Loa is erupting for the first time since 1984, prompting an ashfall advisory for Hawaii Big Island. The world's largest active volcano is erupting for the first time in nearly 40 years, sparking an ashfall advisory Monday for Hawaii's Big Island and surrounding waters until 6 a.m. Up to a quarter inch of ashfall could and of the island. People with respiratory illness should remain indoors to avoid inhaling the ash particles, and anyone inside should cover their mouth and nose with a mask or cloth. The National Weather Service in has warned probably harm in crops, animals, mere and infrastructure. Those are the areas that are damaged, reduced availability, widespread and clean up may be necessary. The eruption in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is not threatening downhill community or fighting to the island of Hawaii, the Hawaii Tourism Authority tweeted on Monday morning. Lava falls are contaminated in the sumps area.